Welcome to more unboxing. A double pack. Undertaker versus Batista for the World Heavyweight Championship. There they are, Undertaker, Batista World Heavyweight Championship Showdown package there. 2 for 1 and a belt. I like this one. All these WWE figures I am unboxing, it were from Christmas, if you saw my Christmas video. So that's why it's a lot. So that, turn this up. I really like this one because it's 2 for 1 and an extra belt. So I never had a Deadman Undertaker. I just had Biker Taker. That's what I cut him. American Badass Undertaker. So it's nice to now be able to add the Deadman Taker to my set of wrestling figures. And a second Batista that looks different than my other Batista that I bought when I was a teenager or whatever. There's the World Heavyweight title. We'll get a close-up after in a few minutes. There's Dave Bautista. There's the Phenom, the Undertaker. So first a look at the World Heavyweight Championship, aka the WCW Championship, whatever you want to call it. Oh, it has the nameplate that says Undertaker. You can't see it really on camera, but it says Undertaker. You kind of see it a little bit more clearly there, not too much, but there you got it, Undertaker. It says there. There's the Undertaker. Tattoos. His face does really look a lot like the Undertaker. The boots, a lot of big boots. Big Evil. Demonic symbols. He is a dead man walking. There's a Batista. Hairless Batista. Tattoos in the back. A dragon in the back of his attire. Says Batista right there. Yep. So he's got purple Batista. The animal Batista ready to be unleashed. He can't wear the world title because it says Undertaker, not Batista. Hope you enjoy watching me unbox these. Till next time, subscribe for more. Good night, y'all. Vlog you later.